Osotek electric floor mopping and sweeping machine 3-in-1 smart floor cleaner. Sweep, mop, suction, self-cleaning. Experience the future of floor cleaning with the Osotek smart electric mopping machine, an innovative all-in-one solution that sweeps, vacuums, and mops in a single pass. Perfect for busy households, pet owners, and anyone who wants spotless floors with minimal effort. This cordless electric floor cleaner is engineered with suction power, dual brush rollers, and an intelligent self-cleaning system, making it the ultimate cleaning companion for hard surfaces like tile, wood, laminate, and vinyl. Key features: 3-in-1 cleaning system. Sweeps, vacuums, and mops simultaneously, saving time and energy. Instantly removes dust, dirt, spills, and pet hair. Ideal for daily and deep cleaning routines. Suction function for dry and wet messes. Built-in powerful motor sucks up debris and dirty water. Handles dry crumbs, wet spills, sticky messes, and more. Leaves floors clean and nearly dry in one pass. Intelligent self-cleaning system. One-touch self-cleaning cycle rinses and spins the roller brushes. Keeps your hands clean. No need to manually touch dirty rollers. Ensures fresh performance every time you clean. Cordless and rechargeable. Wireless freedom with a long-lasting battery. Clean every room without plugging and unplugging. Fast recharge, low noise, and energy efficient. Smart LED display and alerts. Real-time display shows battery status, cleaning mode, and maintenance alerts. Easy operation with intuitive controls. Dual tank technology. Separate clean and dirty water tanks ensure fresh water is always used. Easy to remove, refill, and clean. What's included? 1 Osotek floor mopping machine. 1 charging base. 1 cleaning brush. 1 user manual. 1 power adapter. 1 roller mop brush. What's included? 1 Osotek floor mopping machine. 1 charging base. 1 cleaning brush. 1 user manual. 1 power adapter. 1 roller mop brush. Technical specifications. Feature details. Cleaning functions: sweep, mop, vacuum. Water tank system: dual, clean and dirty separation. Self-cleaning: yes, automatic with button press. Cord type: cordless, rechargeable. Battery life: 30 to 50 minutes, varies by mode. Suitable surfaces: tile, laminate, wood, marble, vinyl. Weight: lightweight and maneuverable. Display: LED smart display. Ideal for busy families with kids or pets. Kitchens, bathrooms, living rooms, hallways. Daily touch-ups or weekend deep cleans. Households that want clean floors with zero hassle. Usage tips. Empty the dirty water tank and refill the clean tank before each use. Use the self-cleaning mode after every session for best performance. For stubborn stains, let the mop hover briefly over the area.